To make a scatter plot, the first thing that you need to do is you need to label your axes. First thing is miles is X, minutes is Y. So on the X-axis, we're going to write miles. On the Y-axis, we're going to write minutes. Next thing we're going to do is to pick an appropriate scale. Look at the X. The lowest value is 1. The highest value is 7. And we have halves, so maybe we could start by seeing if we can go by halves. So every space is a half. That's a half, 1. 1.5, 2. 2.5, 3. 3.5, 4. 4.5, 5. And so on. I'm going to go past 7 in case we need to predict later on in the future. Next, we're going to look at the y-axis. The lowest value is 7. The highest value is 66. So there's no need for a break. Let's try and go by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. There's no need to write each half. 50, 60, 70, 80. Once we have our scale, we can actually plot our points. So we're going to start with 1, 7, 1.5, 8, and so on and so forth. Once you have all your points, you're going to draw your line of best fit. Don't forget, when you draw your line of best fit, to have arrows. Now you can look at the correlation. So what's happening is there's a positive correlation as the number of miles increase, the time it takes you to complete those miles increase.